Hey everybody, the exciting day is here. My FabFitFun box has finally arrived. I'm so excited. I know. Deep breaths, but so I haven't opened the box yet because, you know, that would be cheating. But what I did have is I opened the big outer box and I did add-ons. And so I know what my add-ons are. I got the Tarte Dry Shampoo Hair Gold. I am an everyday washer. I have always been an everyday washer. I have recently had to start coloring my hair. So I'm trying very hard to be an every other day washer. It's not working great. But I've bought tons, I should do a video. I've bought tons of dry shampoos. I've not tried this one. I'm very excited. I also got the, I'm not positive how you say this, Duce mascara. I am a every 3 month, throw it out, start a new one girl. Look at how cool this is. That's a really cool mascara container. As you'll notice, I haven't put on my glasses yet, so looks pretty cool. See how it smells. I often can tell. I use Tarte Lights Camera Lashes almost regularly unless I come across another sample or something that I feel like I have to try. Oh, it's a big, big fluffy brush. And no smell. Excellent. I like it when there's no smell. I also got this canvas tote. How cute is that? It's super cute. That was a lot of noise. It's just a super cool canvas tote. Good size handles. Oh look, it has outside handle and inside little handles. Oh snap! This was like $9. I thought it was gonna be just, but it's so cute. Look, it says FabFitFun. This will be fun when I go back to Bible study or, I don't know, somewhere else I have to go where I have to take my stuff with me. This is going with me. Okay. I know this is what you've been waiting for. You've probably seen it on a million videos, but let's get in this box and see what I got. I made a few choices, so I know some of the things that are in here. Some of the choices I did not make, so they are a surprise. So you've probably seen people open these boxes a million times, but ta-da! So pretty! I have the lovely magazine with Christina Applegate on it. And inside it has, in theory, a description of all of the items that I got. So I'm going to leave it open so I can hopefully tell you more than what I know about these things. And as I've discussed in my previous videos, it is that sad, sad time when I reach for my glasses because there's reading to be done. I have a $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 purchases, 2 boxes, and free shipping at HelloFresh. That's pretty cool. Little coupon, little gift card on the back. Pretty cool. Might give that a shot. And $3 off a box of Luna bars. I'm betting there's a Luna bar in here. Anybody want to take that bet? Here we go. I have waited like a child for Christmas for this box. Ever since I signed up, I've been basically standing at the front door. And it's been like a month. And then they had the add-ons. I was like, yeah, I'll do add-ons. And then I waited and I waited. And it came. It was due tomorrow and it came today, so. And soda bar. Cashew butter. And fruit nut bar. Glam Glow masks. I've seen these on people. They bubble up. They look awesome. I have 2. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. I'm gonna try and convince my husband to use one of these. It should be fun. According to the book, which talks about everything that I get, these lovely Glam Glow masks are worth $18. Pretty cool. I chose, a lot of people were getting the earbuds, but I have earbuds, I have nice Beats. I didn't need the earbuds. So, is this where I chose it? Yeah, I chose the umbrella because my umbrella broke over this spring, and who doesn't love a lovely umbrella? Oh, so pretty. And it is, I should turn the camera around so you could see, it is a dreary, miserable day out there. I'll probably get to use this today, so that is very exciting. So pretty. I'm not opening it. I'm also not driving past black cats, walking under ladders, anything else. It's very pretty. It is a Kathleen Maladrino. And its value is, stay with me people, $39.99. Have to admit. I mean, it's lovely. Don't get me wrong. Quite lovely. I don't think I would have spent $40 on an umbrella. Still want it. Still thrilled. What else have we got? Blue and Capri Skin & Co. It's a multi-purpose shower gel. It says it is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri and deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. Well, let's see which one of those scents wins as soon as I get the cap off. Oh, that's very nice. I was intimidated by the words sage and alpine rose. It's just fresh. This is very fresh and nice. I love it. $22 value. Cute little tea towels. Who doesn't love a, it's kind of a gray and white tea towel. You guys know what tea towels look like. I have two. I'm not gonna open them. They say they are worth $14.99. I would agree. I could probably get this for, I could probably get them for a little less than $14.99, like a Home Goods, but still, very cute. Grown Alchemist. It is a polishing facial exfoliant. Pink grapefruit glucomannan extract. I will admit, I don't, glucomannan? I don't know that word. It gently exfoliates dry skin to reveal a radiant, moisturized complexion. It's formulated with, that word I cannot say, glucomannan, and konjac to absorb oils, and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. I mean, I've got free radicals just like anybody else, so I gotta fight them. Cute. It's in one of those cute little metal tubes with the little pointy things that you can see what it smells like. Okay, I'm going to exfoliate the back of my hand because that's never the worst idea ever. Oh, grapefruit. Just kind of, actually, it pairs very nicely with this. These smell very much the same to me. It might be a me thing. I have a super sensitive nose. But it smells very nice. Piece this tissue here and wipe that off the back of my hand because, you know, they say that is a $67 value. I do not know the brand Grown Alchemist. Oops. It is 2.53 fluid ounces. I will try this. I will probably love it because it's expensive and that's how it tends to go for me. Can't wait. This is so exciting. I have, ooh, Pharmacy. I'm kind of excited I got this one. There were several choices. There was this and there was a lipstick, and I'm very excited that I got the Do It All is the under eye cream. And I always need an under eye cream. What do they say? They say, fine lines and dark circles be gone. This moisturizing eye cream helps minimize visible signs of aging, stress, and fatigue while reducing the appearance of dark circles. I love the thoughts of reducing the appearance of dark circles. It is a 0.5 fluid ounces. This has got to be really close to full size if it's not full sized. Ta-da! Since my hands are gritty from the, I'm not going to open it. It's got the little wood top. They say this is a $38 value, so I would say it is full sized. So cute. Yay. Oh, yay, I knew this was coming. I saw it in every single person's box that I did see. Beauty blender. Can never have enough beauty blenders. Can never have enough beauty blenders. I got the basic pink. I love that. A $20 value. I chose, one of the things I chose was the Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. You had the choice between this and a French press. I chose the teapot because I have a coffee maker that I love, and winter is coming, and we love tea around here. And it looked so pretty that I thought even if I didn't love it for using it and wasn't as good about using it as I hoped I would be, this is wrapped up really hard, that it looked like it would be pretty just on as a set about. Oh, it's super pretty. Look. Yay! It has a little stainless steel cup on the inside. So, I don't know. Stainless steel cup on the inside. Put your little tea in. Put your loose tea in. Put it in here. Steep. Pour. So cute. I mean, how cute is that? It says, sip in style with this ceramic teapot designed by the LA-based tea spot, Alfred Tea Room. It has a stainless steel lid and wide-lipped infuser and a dripless spout to make tea enjoyable. I saw a video on this where he mentioned it was 20 ounces. It does not mention that in here, but it mentioned it was 20 ounces. And he said for that use 3 teaspoons of loose tea. So that's good to know. That is very cute. Not that I would ever be at the same place at the same time, but if I had my umbrella, I would look fabulous and pulled together. Okay, last but not least, and this was another choice I made, is the Vince Camuto tote bag. I have read online several people mention that when they got this in, people have said how surprised they are at the shortness of the handles, that you could tell they put them on models with their tiny little arms. But it has its own little bag, dust bag. And I chose, because I was matching a pair of shoes, and this is so out of character for me, I can't even tell you, the brown, I think they called it red something, red desert, with the black stripe. But I'm matching a pair of kind of taupe-ish Vince Camuto boots. Oh, I don't think they're incredibly short. Very pretty. I'm very pleased with it. It is, oh, good. It's soft on the inside. I worried that it would be, I knew it was raw, and I worried that if I put books in here or whatever, it would catch. They say it's big enough for a laptop. It has a little pocket that you can slip your littles in. Very cool. Let's see. I'm just going to slip it on my arm and give it the arm test, because I'm not a little girl. Oh yeah, no problem. Okay, yay. That's my FabFitFun box I've been waiting so long for. Okay, so in review, I got the Beauty Blender, $20, and the 2 Glam Glow sheet masks. They say those are $18. The 2 tea towels that I did not un-tea towel for you because you know what a tea towel looks like. That they say are $14.99. Vince Camuto bag. Ta-da! That they say is worth $128, which it's Vince Camuto, so fair enough. But vegan leather, very happy. $128. The Alfred teapot, he's so cute. He's really cute. That they say is $26. My lovely umbrella, that is a Catherine Maladrino, that they say is $39. My Grown Alchemist face exfoliant, that they say is $67. Very anxious to try this one. My Pharmacy Do It All eye cream, that they say is $38. Yeah, that was my box. $49, but for the first month you sign up, you get $10 off, so it was only $39. And they say that my box value was $374. So even if you shaved off some for like, oh, I don't know that I would have paid that for an exfoliant, or would you really pay $40 for an umbrella, or blah, blah, blah. It's still a crazy good deal. And I will use every one of these items. And I'm so excited. Plus I had my add-on, dry shampoo, mascara, and my cute little tote bag that I have buried under all of that stuff. I can't even tell you how excited I am. You should try it. I know, I'm an enabler. You should try it. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye.